IMTEX 2023. This is Neha Basudkar Ghate, Assistant Editor at Efficient Manufacturing Magazine. We have here with us Parag Alekar, who is the CEO of Nicolas, Correa, India. So, could you please brief us about your company and the solution that it offers?
Okay. We are Nicolas Correa from Spain. We are a 75 years old company and we are into manufacturing of CNC milling machines which start medium and large size machines which starts from 2 meter onwards. And we are into the bigger sector where we give machines with universal heads, bed type machines, bridge type machines, gantry type machines and solution for bigger components as such.
What are the new products that the company has launched in IMTEX?
As far as IMTEX is concerned, recently we launched some machines with multitasking applications. We were already giving some machines with universal heads for a long time, but we have introduced multitasking applications also now because the trend is going for multitasking applications where single component is completed in one setup. So previously this is for the smaller components is predominant in India now. But now for bigger components also customers are looking for this kind of solution. So we have introduced those machines and we have sold also in India now. So machines with having rotary tables, having a turning application. So a machine which can do not only milling but it can do turning also in one go. These have been already introduced and we'll be installing such kind of machines in India in this year itself.
Could you please take us through or walk us through the innovations the industry is looking in this new era of smart development, Industry 4.0, and the problems that the industry used to face earlier, and now that the industry is ready for all the solutions. So, could you please brief us on that part?
See, basic problem in India now we are facing is the manpower. Skilled manpower is very limited, and whatever new generation engineers are coming, they are more focused on the IT industry rather than coming to hardcore engineering. So industrialists are looking for a solution where there is a less manpower involved. So because of this all these trends of multitasking, then machines being used without manpower or uh, basic industry 4.0 where a lot of information is being passed on from the machine itself to the user. So these kind of solutions, customer is now more interested because the cost of producing the component has to come down. It is previously it was manpower oriented, but now manpower is not that much available. So cost of production is reducing by using this kind of applications. So now in this industry, we are giving means everybody is trying to give such solutions where less manpower is involved.
And when there's less manpower involved, automation has taken its taken place. So, what would you like to say about that?
So this is what it is. Means automation is being introduced in all the machines. So normally it is a cell concepts going on. So in the cell concept we have one man using catering to 4 or 5 machines altogether. So less manpower is involved, less time is spent on the components being on the shop floor. So production quantity has been increased by reducing the cost of the component.
That was really great insights that we have received. Thank you for listening to us. Please do visit our YouTube and LinkedIn. Thank you.